Hey folks, we're back doing another recap today, and it is February 24th, and I've been on a pretty nasty red streak, and today it's no different. And let's talk about what I traded today. And today is actually really early for me to be leaving for the day, and it's only 10:57 here, 10:57 a.m. here, Central Time. And I normally trade all up until 3 p.m., which is market close. And today, I'm just cutting it short because things aren't looking good. Yesterday was horrible, and today it looks like we don't have really any movers at all. And so instead of continuing to dig myself a hole, I think it's better I just walk away. And it's really hard to do because I don't want to be red on the day, but that's just how it goes. So let's take a look at a few things. I'll show you what I traded. Today I traded SYPR, SNSS, and that was it. That was two stocks I traded. I didn't see any other opportunities on anything else. So that's where I'm just going to leave it today. But anyways, I started today off positive, 19 bucks, then 13 bucks. It was just a joke. I mean, such small amounts. And then I went negative from there, negative 60, then just trading sideways, trying to get back to green and couldn't do it. Went up to negative 40 from 90 and then just right down to 179. So, I could hang around and wait for something else to pop up, but I don't know if it's worth my time today, honestly. It's just the market's looking slow, not much to trade. I'm red and not by a whole lot, but definitely something. So let's look at the calendar real quick, and then I'll look at the charts for the actual stock I traded. So yeah, Monday was horrible, 1600. Yesterday was half that, 843, and today's 179. So while it's trending down, I guess that's a good thing. It's all red. So I was really trying to plan on, I'm always trying to plan to be green every day, but this week in particular, last week wasn't great. It was positive nonetheless, but this week I just wanted to be, solid green, and it's not looking good so far. So that's where I'm just gonna leave it today. This is the one day I think I've walked away early and not have been sitting around till 3 p.m. Waiting for some other opportunity to move. So yeah, let's look at what I actually traded. SNSS was pretty much the main one here. And let me show you where I got kind of faked out. Yeah, was trading this one and it was just back and forth. Like, I make a good trade, then a bad one, then a good one, then a bad one. And I kind of traded in this area, and then we got this awesome push up. And where I made my, biggest fatal mistake here was, this thing reached its high over here at 708, and I was hesitant. So I was like, just wait for a pullback, wait for the next opportunity. So it did fall. So I made that right decision there. And then we got this one candle here. Look at this thing. It's falling. Then I see this boom, this big green candle. I'm thinking, okay, here's a chance for us to break through that high. And it didn't. And I was able to get a trade in on this green candle, a good green trade, which is great. And however, when it moved on to the next candle, I was thinking, if it we get close to that 705, there's a good chance, might just rip up. And the problem is, honestly, I think this setup would have normally continued back, a week or two when we had a hot market. But we've had so much of this, like yesterday I got faked out on a similar setup like this. I forgot what the stock was, but here I am, hopping in for a trade here for the move higher, and it just flushes a huge red candle, goes past the green one completely, and absolute fake out. And I just took the loss on it and said, you know what, today I want to show you guys too. This is give me 1 second. Okay, so let's see. This, I had to make a sticky note for myself today because Monday was bad, Tuesday was bad, and then this morning I was like, you know what, I've got to make some kind of rule, something. And today sticky note was a $500 max loss. So I wrote that today and I stuck to it. So that's good. And I didn't go below that. So I'm just walking away. And it's really hard, honestly, hard to do. I'm really tempted to stick around, but I think it's just pointless. I'm only down a little bit, and so I shouldn't make it worse because it doesn't seem like today is giving very many opportunities. So, I mean, look at this. All the way up from that high, and it's just flushed all the way down, trended all the way down. Big candle here, so I don't think it's worth it to be trading anymore today. So that's where I'm going to leave it. And I love hearing from everyone. So let me know today how you guys traded. Did you also feel like the market was pretty slow? I mean, from what I'm seeing on my watch list, it's just scanners. Nothing is really moving that much. And I'd like to know if you guys are green today or if you're red, and by how much. Did you overtrade? Did you get into a bad situation like I've been doing in the past, and you're hanging around today and you're just making things worse by bad trade after bad trade? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you guys. So that's it for today. Short, nice and short one. Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. We've got 2 more days left on the week here, and I don't expect to, especially with the market being slow, to do anything fabulous. So I think it'd be great if I could, get green on both days. But my focus is gonna be for next month, for March. March is gonna have to be a complete revamp for me. I'm gonna have to start small, and I'm gonna have to trade, really feel the market. If it's slow, take it nice and easy. If things are heating up, look for those opportunities and watch the risk. Because once again, I'm trading on thin ice here. I'm super pissed. I had amazing January month, 11K, and the first week of February was incredible. I outdid myself and made 12K, and I completely ruined everything with these last actually 2 weeks, the second week and the fourth week here. Just draining everything, specifically the second week. But I'm negative at this point, and March has to be a great month. It has to. Even if it's not a hot market, it has to be a positive, good, green, solid month. That's how I'm looking at it. I'm trying to look long term here. And this is all learning experience as well. I've been trading for a while, but there's times like this. You get these nasty red weeks, red months, whatever it is, and you've got to try to persevere, protect the capital, get through it. So anyways, that's enough. I will catch you guys tomorrow on Thursday, and we'll see you then. Take care.